Dear students, very good morning. Today our topic is bacteria. Dear students, in previous lecture we have discussed five kingdom system of classification. One of the kingdom in five kingdom classification was kingdom Monera. Was kingdom Monera. Kingdom Monera. These bacteria are the sole members of this kingdom. They are the sole members of this kingdom. The bacteria are mostly microorganisms. They are mostly microorganisms, microorganisms, and are found everywhere. They are found in everywhere. Clear? It was von Antonio von Leeuwenhoek who discovered Leeuwenhoek who discovered bacteria in 1675. In 1675 means Leeuwenhoek discovered bacteria in 1675 and he called them as tiny animalcules. Tiny animalcules. Later on, Ehrenberg in 1838 coined the term bacteria. The bacteria term was coined by Ehrenberg. Huh? As far as I will repeat, bacteria they are sole members of kingdom Monera. They are mostly microorganisms and are found everywhere. They were discovered by Leeuwenhoek in 1675. Leeuwenhoek called them as tiny animalcules. Later on, Ehrenberg in 1838 coined the term bacteria for these tiny animalcules. As far as size of bacteria is concerned, the size of bacteria ranges, mostly the length of bacteria ranges between 1 to 2, 1 rather 0.2 to 1.5 millimeters. The length of bacteria ranges between 0.2 to 1.5 millimeters. A Dilister pneumonocytus. Dilister pneumonocytus is considered smallest bacteria. It is considered smallest bacteria, while as Spirillum velutinus is considered longest bacteria. Spirillum velutinus is considered longest bacteria. Clear? Acha. After that, shapes of bacteria. Bacteria possesses various shapes. They are varied shapes. Kohn 1853 classified the bacteria into various types on the basis of their shapes. Number first, it is shapes. Number first, coccus bacteria. Number second, bacillus bacteria. Number third, vibrio and spiral. Clear? Coccus bacteria means these are spherical in shape. The bacteria are having spherical shape and they are mostly non-flagellated. Remind this thing. Non-flagellated means coccus bacteria are mostly non-flagellated bacteria. For example, we have streptococcus. Streptococcus bacteria is coccus bacteria and it is spherical in shape and non-flagellate, means flagella is absent in them. After that, bacillus, a rod-shaped bacteria or bacillus bacteria. They are rod-shaped, but they are mostly flagellated. They are mostly flagellated, like our lactobacillus bacteria, which is found in the milk. Lactobacillus bacteria, lactobacillus bacteria. Examine lactobacillus is bacillus bacteria. Clear? After that, the coma-shaped bacteria are called Vibrio bacteria. Coma-shaped bacteria. Coma-shaped. For example, Vibrio cholera. We have Vibrio cholera. Example, Vibrio cholera. It's a cholera. Clear, beta? Vibrio bacteria means coma-shaped bacteria, and they are like this. Coma-shaped bacteria, they are Vibrio bacteria. Clear? After that, spiral. Name itself indicates that the shape of bacteria is spiral. The shape of bacteria is spiral bacteria. For example, we have Spirillum volitanus. Spirillum volitanus. Spirillum volitanus. It's a spiral bacteria. Clear? Clear? This was about the shape. As far as shapes of the bacteria are concerned, they may be spherical in shape, they may be rod shaped, they may be comma shaped, they may be spiral. Clear? After that, ultrastructure of bacteria. What is the shape of bacterial cell? What are the various structures found in bacterial cell? Dear students, this is bacterial cell. For example, this is bacterial cell. This is bacterial cell, dear students. As far as the bacterial cell is concerned, the outermost covering, structure of bacterial cell, the outermost wall, the outermost covering of bacterial cell is called cell wall. Outermost covering of bacterial cell. Outermost covering of bacterial cell is called cell wall. Mostly the cell wall of bacterial cell is composed of mucopeptides. It is mostly composed of mucopeptides, or we can say peptidoglycans. Clear? The mucopeptides or peptidoglycans are composed of two amino sugars means NAM and NOG. These are two amino sugars. And this mucopeptide, which is found in the cell wall of bacterial cell, is composed of two amino sugars, namely NOM and NOG. NOM means, the full form of NOM is N-acetyl muramic acid. N-acetyl muramic acid. While as full form of NOG is N-acetyl glucosamine. Clear? Clear, beta? Acha. The cell wall of bacterial cell produces certain thread-like structures. Certain thread-like structures are projecting out from the cell wall of bacterial cell. Those thread-like projecting structures are called flagella. Flagella are actually protoplasmic. They are actually fine protoplasmic thread-like structures. They are actually protoplasmic in a flagella. They are actually protoplasmic thread-like structures projecting out from cell wall. Clear beta? From the cell wall of bacterial cell, protoplasmic thread-like structures arises, or we can say projected. Clear? And those are called flagella. Those are called flagella. Acha. Flagella. Flagella, this thread-like structure is mostly composed of a protein called flagellin. It's a protein found in flagella, found in this thread-like structure. Each flagella contains three parts. There are three parts in a flagella. Three parts. Number one, basal body. Basal body. Number two, it is hook. Number three, it is filament. These are the three parts of flagella. This basal body, the main thing, that is basal body, the main part in flagella, that is basal body. Basal body is found in cell wall as well as and it lies in cell wall as well as plasma membrane of the bacterial cell, and it's composed of this entrance point. It's composed of two pairs of rings. The basal body of flagella is composed of two pairs of rings. One pair of ring lies in the cell wall. One pair of rings lies in the cell wall, and another lies in the plasma membrane. Another pair lies in the plasma membrane. Clear, beta? The pair of rings found in the cell wall is called L and P ring. This pair of ring means L and P ring of basal body are found in the cell wall. They are found in the cell wall, while as S and M ring are found. This pair of ring means S and M pair of ring. It is found in the plasma membrane. Acha. And also this flagella, it helps in the locomotion, in the motility. Clear? On the basis of flagellation, there are various types of bacterial cells. For example, number first, it is Atricus bacteria. Those bacteria which lacks flagella are called Atricus bacteria. For example, Coccus bacteria, they are non-flagellated, so we can say they are Atricus bacteria. Means such bacteria which lacks, in which flagella is absent, which lacks flagella. Atricus bacteria means which lacks flagella. Clear? Alright. Number second, it is monotrichous bacteria. Monotrichous bacteria means those bacterial cells which possesses only a single flagella. Is called monotrichous bacteria. Clear? And number third, it is Lophotrichous bacteria. Lophotrichous means the bacterial cell which possesses a tuft of flagella. For example, this is flagella. This is a bacterial cell. It possesses a tuft of flagella at both the ends. This bacteria is called Lophotrichous bacteria. means the bacterial cell which possesses tuft of flagella at both the ends or is called Lophotrichus bacteria. Is called Lophotrichus bacteria. After that, number 4, it is Amphitrichus. Amphitrichus bacteria. Amphitrichus bacterial cell means when only a single flagella lies at the both ends of bacterial cell. Remind this thing. In Lophotrichus, tuft of flagella lies at both ends of bacterial cell. While as in Amphitrichus bacteria, only a single flagella lies at both ends of bacterial cell. Clear? After that, it is number fourth one. Fourth one, it is Cephalotrichus. Cephalotrichus. Cephalotrichus bacteria means the bacterial cell which possesses a tuft of flagella but only at one end. At one single extremity, at single end, at single terminal, there is tuft of flagella found in the bacterial cell, and such bacterial cells are called Cephalotrichus bacteria. Clear, beta? After that, we have sixth bacteria, that is Peritrichus bacterial. Peritrichus means when flagella are present all over the body of bacterial cell. When flagella are present all over the body of bacterial cell, then such a bacteria is called Peritrichus bacteria. Clear? Go. This was regarding the size and shapes of bacteria, and inshallah in next topic we will discuss other structures found in the bacterial cell and the nutrition in bacterial cell. Thank you very much.